At the end of every school year, we close our notebook, pack our bags, and move on. Those notebooks have done their job, they are no longer needed, even though many pages inside are still blank. While they are thrown away or somewhere else, there are children who still wait for a notebook to start their school.
That was when we started to think differently. What if those notebooks used for one school year and then left behind could quietly continue their journey? So we collect notebooks from students after the school year ends, gently take out the unused pages and bring them together, not as leftovers, but as possibilities.
Our process respects every page. We sort notebooks, remove blank page by hand, check their quality, and buy them carefully. Each recycled notebook may come from an entire school year from many different students, but together they form one complete story.
These notebooks are then given to children from disadvantaged backgrounds. For students who have just finished a school year, these notebooks are left over. But for other children, they are a very beginning, a place to write down lessons, dreams, and hopes. At the same time, our project reminds us that sustainability can start right after the school year ends.
In the end, our project is not about saving paper. It is about letting something unfinished become someone else's beginning. Because sometimes, the future starts on a page we thought was already left behind.
At the end of every school year, humanities perform a small ritual. We close notebook, clear desk, and move forward. But what we call moving on often means leaving things unfinished behind. The paper Odyssey begin exactly there at the moment, when society decides what's worth continuing and what's allowed to disappear.
At the center of the poster is a giant book, and inside the book is the entire journey of renewal from used notebooks collected after a school year to pages being selected, cut, and reborn as a new books. Placing it at the center is a statement with value does not vanish with time. What we choose to guide read that this card reveals what kind of future we'll be living.
Surrounding the main book are notes open from different subjects. They represent knowledge that refuses to stop, because learning is never meant to be an end. When one child finishes a year, another is still waiting to begin.
At the bottom of the poster is a life, not a design element, but a moral battery. On one side is a word that passes and forgets. On the other side is a word that pauses and reserves. This line asks us when educating the next generation, are we teaching growth or repeating destruction?
My paper Odyssey is not about notebooks. It is about civilization learning how to continue without destroying our own future. So because progress is not measured how much we should produce, but how wisely we choose to continue.
That's all about our project. Thanks for watching. And we are the Paper
Odyssey!